Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking in. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. And to my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for the love and support. Thanks for always coming back. I really appreciate. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. And by name Risikat. Here in this channel, I talk about my life journey in Saudi Arabia. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you guys so much. So guys, let's get into today's video. In today's video, I'll be talking about things that are prohibited in Saudi Arabia. Yes, there are so many things being banned in Saudi Arabia that is not allowed to be imported to Saudi Arabia. So let's get into it. Firstly is food. Yes, in Saudi Arabia, it's not all food that is allowed to be imported to Saudi Arabia, like pork. Yeah, pork is not allowed in Saudi Arabia and it's not allowed to be imported to Saudi Arabia. If you are being caught with pork in Saudi Arabia, you face the penalty. And secondly, drink, like any drink that is related to alcoholic or is alcohol is not allowed in Saudi Arabia. Like anything related to alcoholic is not allowed, or drugs is not allowed in Saudi Arabia. If you are being caught with it or caught with it, you will face the penalty and it may likely cost your life. So be mindful of what you bring to come along with to Saudi Arabia. Maybe religion. Yes, like here in Saudi Arabia is only which is Saudi Arabia is a Islamic country and it's not allowed. Church is not allowed here in Saudi Arabia. It's not allowed to build church, and if you are, I don't think it's not allowed. It's being banned. Just know it in mind. If you are coming to Saudi Arabia, just know that there is no church here is in Saudi Arabia. And again, any book related to religion book, but not being a Quran is not being prohibited, it's not banned, or Bible is allowed to be brought to Saudi Arabia, but any other religions related book is not allowed here in Saudi Arabia. Then again, any maybe music, something like music or playing music here in Saudi Arabia is not allowed. Even if anyone, before one should play that, maybe you need to be permitted to do so, and it's not allowed to be loud. Maybe like there are some parts of country that you can play music to any level, whichever volume you like to put it, but here in Saudi Arabia it's not allowed to play music in high volume in such a way that you'll be disturbing other people. No, it's not allowed. If you are being caught doing that, you surely face the penalty. And again, it's short, like especially for ladies, it's not allowed to use anything short, maybe any clothes or any clothes that could display your body shape. Is not allowed here in Saudi Arabia. It's not allowed for a lady to put on maybe short dress or bikini, anything short that could display your body shape. It's not allowed here in Saudi Arabia. You can only use it indoor, which is just within your house. You can't even use it outside your gate. It's not allowed. If you are being caught, it can even cost you. You know the penalty. That is even the highest of it. You know the penalty. It can cost you your life. So it's not allowed. Maybe coming here to work as a lady, just know that you have nothing to do with shorts. Even if you are to use it, it's just indoor. You are not to use it outside your house. Then again, what is toy, adult toy, anything related to adult toy is not allowed in Saudi Arabia, and it's not allowed to be imported to Saudi Arabia. Or being it maybe any toy related to sex toy or so is not allowed. Or even being a toy maybe that we expose female anatomy is not allowed here in Saudi Arabia, except it's strictly for medical purpose. And you know that is there are some people that are going to sign that before it's allowed. Toys, including any such toys, are not allowed here in Saudi Arabia. This is for maybe this is both for ladies and guys. Maybe you know in other country you may see a lady and you pick interest in the lady, that maybe you will walk to the lady and say, or to a guy and give a handshake, or go ahead and toast a lady. Here in Saudi Arabia it's not allowed. If you are being if you are being caught doing that, you will face the penalty for it, and you face the law. It's not allowed here for a guy to walk to a lady, seeing a lady and say, this lady is beautiful also, and walk to a lady. It's not allowed here. Even as a lady, you can't just walk to a guy and give a handshake. It's prohibited here in Saudi Arabia. And again, how should I put it, all these sources, like all this something related to spirituality also, all these people saying things and this will happen in the nearest future, this will happen, all like healers, is not allowed in Saudi Arabia. If you are being caught doing that, you will be exported to your country with immediate effect. It's not allowed here in Saudi Arabia. Whichever religion you are doing, you can just do it indoor. Apart from Islamic, you do it indoor. If you are being caught, it won't be easy. So guys, this is just all I have to say today in things that are banned or prohibited in Saudi Arabia. Hope it helps someone out there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and don't also forget to share. Thank you guys so much for always coming back, and if this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye.